Hello people! Today we're gonna make Tarte Chocolat. It sounds better than a chocolate cake. It's a very soft type of chocolate cake. So for that we need a round spring form, baking form, whatever. And I already covered the bottom of it with parchment paper. I lost it there. So yeah, you don't have to, but you can avoid a lot of mess like on the bottom. And the rim of it, I used a brush and just regular oil and for the cake not to stick. So yeah, and other than that, we have 200 grams of butter, 200 grams of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 eggs. I'm not gonna jiggle, no. And 200 grams of bitter chocolate. So I have like 72%, so it's dark chocolate, yeah. Yeah, I think we can start. Woo. First things first, we want to melt the chocolate and the butter. Oh, I feel like Charlie in the chocolate factory. I've got the golden ticket. No, it's a silver ticket. Oh. Nothing artsy here. It's so hard not to try a piece of the chocolate, but you know, I'm looking forward to the end product. Before we start with this, make sure you're preheating your oven. Lower and upper heat and 175 degrees Celsius. If you are in a Fahrenheit area, well, Google it. In the butter goes. Wow. Make sure you are using like lower temperatures, low heat here, because otherwise you're gonna burn the chocolate on the bottom. We don't want that. And stir it slowly. Ooh, that's the stuff. Okay, here it goes. Ooh, that's scenic. We're gonna take the party to the scale. Now we need 200 grams of powdered sugar. Knock knock. Probably the worst knock knock joke ever. Okay folks, half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Teaspoon. Right on schedule. Da, 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 da. No. This video is not sponsored by McDonald's. Swirl, swirl, whisk, whisk. So now, you want to put the eggs in, like egg by egg, just like, not all at once, but like, oh. You want to mix each egg. Try to use the lowest setup that your mixer has. Some people use 4 eggs for this recipe, but I prefer 3 eggs because I don't like cakes that taste like eggs. Yeah. And the final ingredient, 2 tablespoons of flour. Use the mixer another time, not too long. Woo! Done. You'll find people who really want to eat, you know, some rest better. Okay, in it goes. Just put this in your baking tray. Ooh. Now spread it around your tray evenly. Okay, this should be good. Try to get all of it in. This goes into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll see each other in a bit. Welcome back. Let's have a look. I think we're done. Ooh. Ah, yeah. Magic trick. Powdered sugar goes in. Ooh, yeah, powdered sugar. This is it. You might want to wait like 10 minutes before you release it from the form, because otherwise it's gonna fall apart and you don't want that. So I'm gonna try a little bit of it. This is so good. It was a little bit hot still. I couldn't wait. I should have waited like another 5 minutes, but you're gonna make some people happy. This is really good. Doesn't taste as heavy as it is. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you're gonna be successful with the cake. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And here are some other videos, and yeah, see you whenever. Thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.